Hello and welcome to Nikolai's Genetics Lessons, and today I have prepared another blood relationship problem for you, and here's a problem. Introducing a man, a woman said, he is the only son of the mother of my mother. How is the woman related to the man? As usual, I recommend you to pause video here, try to solve this problem on your own first, and when you would be ready you can run video again, and you can compare your answer with my answer and explanation. So if you solve this problem correctly, you should get a pedigree as follows. So here's a couple that has two children. One would be a male, another would be female. This female is married and have a daughter. And the woman that states would be here, and the man whom she refers is here. So again, let me read the whole sentence. He is the only son, and this man is the only son of this couple. The only son doesn't mean the only child. It is different. This couple has two children. One is a male, another is female. So this couple has only son, and this couple has also only daughter, and have two children. He is the only son of the mother of my mother. Again, he is the only son of the mother of my mother. So she's talking about her uncle, and she's going to be a niece. So we choose the correct answer, C. So again, this girl or this female is talking about a brother of her mother, her maternal uncle. So this female is going to be a niece of this man, or of the brother of her mother. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please write your comments, questions if you have any. Share this video with your classmates, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.